ito si Pare Koy, si Dennis, tsaka si Raisa. Si Raisa, ayan na, kakain na sila. Matakaw na sila. Yung birthday nila ay March 2, 2015. Ngayon ay March 28. Malaki na sila. Matakaw na sila. Ang tatlong ducks na na-stud sa mini pincher na si Checo. Ang mahal kong Checo. Ayan. Naki-aircon sila. Gusto nila malamig na lugar. Social sila. Gusto nila malamig. Ay, natulog si yan, no? Si yung kumain. Ayun, no? Tao nila, no? Sobrang matakaw ang dalawa. Kulang lang ubusin yung pagkain nila. Takaw. Kisingin ko sila sabay para makakain siya. Kain niya. Let go, let go. Can't hold back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. I don't care if you want to stay. Just move. Distance, like everything so small. The game's control me, can't get from me at all. I finally can breathe. To let it lie behind, but I don't want to breathe. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. I don't care if you go to stay. Just let it go. Just gonna let it be. Standing frozen in my life, I chose it. You won't find me because it's so behind me. Farewell, and you know, let it go, let it go. Don't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Back anymore. Let it go, let it go. I don't care if you want to stay. Ayan, ito si Raisa, si Dennis, tsaka si Pare Koy. Ito si Mami Elsa.